we start one new series, DBMS, that is Database Management System. This series is very much important for those who are appearing BE or BTech like university exam and WBCS GATE like competitive exam. So, we start this series DBMS. So, DBMS, that is Database Management System. So, what is data? Any raw and isolated facts about an entity, that is text, audio, image, map, etc., are called data. So, what is information? Processed and meaningful usable data are called information. So, when data are meaningful, then it is information. And what is database? Collection of similar and related data are called database. And what is DBMS? Software used to create and manipulate and delete database is called DBMS. So, take an example. Video, it is data. And what is database? It is YouTube. Image, it is data. What is database? Instagram. Song, it is data. What is database? Song.pk. And software used to create, manipulate, and delete database are called DBMS. Some example of DBMS are say Oracle 9i, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access DBMS, Oracle IBM DB2, FoxPro, etc. So in a nutshell, we can say that data means no facts that can be recorded and that have implicit meaning. In simple word, data is information. In software system, we manage data. Manage data means storing, processing, and extracting data. Examples are text, audio, video, image, map, etc. Another important term is data persistence. So, what is data persistence? Data persistence means existence or life of data. Data that is required to manage needs to be stored somewhere until job is not over. We need to analyze that for how long we want data to persist in memory. Sometimes we need data beyond the life of the program. For example, an organization's financial data must be persistent. Persistent data cannot be deleted by external processes or objects until the user deletes it. So, it is stable. So, we have to store data in secondary storage. So, what is secondary storage? Secondary storage is non-volatile long-term storage. It is used to keep programs and data indefinitely. Without secondary storage, all programs and data would be lost the moment the computer is switched off. Data is sometimes needed to remain available even beyond the life of the program. In such case, data is stored in secondary storage like hard disk. Another important term is file. When data is stored in the secondary memory, it is bound to reside in a file. Relative data and information is stored collectively in file formats. File is an operating system concept which makes separation among bundles of heterogeneous data, song, photo, etc. stored in the storage. So, what is database? A software application most of the times required to store relevant information in the secondary storage in the form of files. That is, collection of similar or related data. A database is a place where all your application related data is stored. One application data can be stored in a bunch of files. We can say database is a collection of files. Take one view, then this will be more clear for you. So this is our secondary storage, that is hard disk, and we store our database here. Now see, if there are some application, and what is database? Database is a collection of files and we store database here. We save database here. Now see, if this is one application, this is user interface. What is user interface? User interface screen is used to interact, to see, and I can give input some values or I can see output by user interface. This is data processing unit. The collection and manipulation of items of data to produce meaningful information. And this is file handling program. What is file handling? Files need to be handled by a set of programs. This bunch of programs is a part of actual application. So what is the utility of using file handling program? It is used to send data to secondary storage. So code for sending data to file is called file handling program. Code for get data, search data, create new file, delete old file, update data, everything is done through file handling program. We can get ready-made in market like Oracle, DB2, MySQL, etc. But there are different difficult issues are involving in file handling. Data may be corrupted, so it is better to use ready-made software. So this interface is created by user and this is our ready-made software like Oracle. We can add Oracle software to our software to make it a total one software. So there is ready-made software, that is Oracle. We can add this software to our software and make it total one software. But to communicate with Oracle software, we need one language called SQL. So in this way, we can communicate with the database. We can search data, we can get data, we can arrange data, etc. So in a nutshell, we can say that DBMS is database management system. It is a collection of programs that enables users to create and maintain a database. DBMS is a general purpose software system that is not related to the application directly. Application may be library management system, railway management system, hospital management system, etc. DBMS facilitates the process of defining. As a programmer or user, we can use DBMS to define the structure where we can store our data. We can also mention data type. Constructing, that is, we store data in the database. Manipulating, that is, we can update database. And sharing database, that is, we can share among various users and applications. So this is your homework. Try to answer this question. I am waiting for your reply. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.